how to play chess on Duolingo. So, if you're willing to play a bit of game and maybe relax after learning a language, maybe get some of the weights of your chest, so to say, after the deep learning, you can play chess. And to find it, just follow my steps. So, sorry for the language that isn't English. For some reason, I can't even change it. But just navigate to the home screen, which is the very tab on the left, and then you will see, you just don't mind the language, you will see that on the top left I have a icon with the language pretty much image. This is pretty much the language that you're now learning. Then just press on it, and as you can see in here we have this, as you can see on the center, you have like a music icon, and to the next we have the chess. So they are advertising the Duolingo Super. Let's just skip this. Or maybe you need to have it. Wait, let me check it again. So chess, and then you can play. So once again, don't forget language. And then on this, click on this green icon on the right next to the music. And that's it, my friends. This is how easily it's done. Enjoy playing chess and learning languages. If this helped you out, like and subscribe.